Hey folks, this is Jay from Chandler, Arizona. I'm back and thanks a lot for all the feedback you have given me for my Dreamforce videos. It is great to see there is a lot of interest in what the Salesforce.com platform is doing to go to the next step, hashtag Ohana. There are some requests for the developer persona, which I'm going to expand in this blog further. The request was about what different or what are some new things in the Lightning Web Components area for developers. So there are 6 things which caught my eye. So I'm going to go over each of those 6 things. Number one, which I cannot be more happier with is dynamically instantiating Lightning Web Components in runtime. This is something which is available in Aura, but is not available in Lightning Web Components, which is going to come very soon in the Salesforce.com platform. This will allow people to reduce complexity on a page by only showing components which are relevant for that particular record type or that particular status and things like that. That too, you can write it in code, which will clutter the components less. This will also help people in creating their own custom layouts of Lightning pages, which then internally can control which components uh, gets loaded depending on data or what is clicked and so on and so forth. Number two is um, uh, a new tag which is called LWC external, which allows you to embed your custom written JavaScript components without much change into the Lightning platform. So if you are using React.js or say Vue.js, you can now maintain one code base there and embed those components inside the Salesforce.com platform. You don't need an iframe, you don't need a Canvas app, you don't need an Aura component, direct integration without layering. This will alleviate the need to rewrite your UI component libraries to start with the Salesforce.com platform. Number three is the workspace API. In a Lightning page, as you know, the out-of-box app builder Lightning page, there are tabs. And then as you are working through records and certain aspects of data, you can have subtabs. The workspace API allows you to actually get finer control of these tabs which are opening as you click through records and things like that. For an end user, it would allow me to remove certain tabs or to open certain other tabs per my need in a Lightning Web control, which is much more user friendly and reduces complexity over time. Number four is template expressions. If you are a Lightning Web Component developers, a lot of times if you have complex queries in Salesforce data, or you have certain logic to pick a color or pick certain data and apply certain expressions on that data like date or things like that, you have to go to your component, run those expressions, then bring that back in your UI. With template expressions, you can reduce that and you can actually run these expressions right in the UI template itself, thereby increasing the efficiency of code. Yeah, also readability of code is drastically enhanced, thereby reducing maintenance and also the speed of how fast the template can go. Number four is Nimbus plugins for LWC. This takes Salesforce's vision to make Lightning Web runtime also work on the mobile runtime by giving you access to certain mobile features like barcode scanning through camera or GPS locations or certain other things like AI kit or and things like that, So this will allow, this plugin remains dormant when you're running on a desktop, but it can activate itself when you're running on mobile automatically. So you can write one code base in Lightning for desktop and it automatically works on your mobile devices. And if you have enabled certain more offline features, it could work offline as well. Number 6 is custom properties, you editors for Lightning Web Components. If you are me and you have written Lightning Web Components, you have properties in which you can change. But these property editors, which are from Salesforce, are highly error prone. They have no validations like a date validator or a color validator or a hex code validator in these validations, which makes configuration very tricky, at times very error prone. Now what Salesforce is doing is allowing you to write custom property editors so that you can actually put these validations right in those property editors. That's how they are trying to decrease the implementation time by putting the right validations during actually configuration itself rather than finding it out during runtime. So that's these are the 6 things. Once again, dynamic instantiation of LWC, external LWC inside Lightning, workspace API, template expressions, Nimbus plugins, and custom property editors. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. I would be more than happy to collaborate on comments as well. Thank you.